Hi, my name's Jeremy.
Hi, I'm Stacia. This is level 160 now, week 2. And we reviewed a lot of the stuff that you did last week. So if you need that, you can go back to the other recap. We polished up a lot of stuff. It was really looking great. Lots of gold stars given out during class. We did a couple new things, and so we'll just show you those right now. One is called a send out.
Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Unlike the tuck turn that we did before, this one's pretty linear, and it has a pretty linear rock step versus rotational. And we can come right, the lead can bring us right back into close. We talked about how does the lead make the space for that.
Yep. Leaders want to move their body back. They do the rock step, and they just don't go back to where they started. They actually move their body in space a little bit.
We did also talk about connection and our own personal maximum stretch. So remember that, and we pulsed a lot too. The one other new thing that we showed was doing a send out, and then the lead not bringing me back to them, but bringing themselves to me.
The leaders go to the followers.
And that's what we did.
Yeah, great work, everybody.
Good night.
See you later.
Farewell.